Welcome to Channel English Practice. Let's learn the cooking verbs in English. Chop. Chop the onions finely. Fry. I fry eggs for breakfast every day. Melt. To make cheese fondue, melt cheese with other ingredients. Break. Carefully break the egg into the center of the pizza. Boil. When the water boils, add the meat and cabbage. Peel. The kids are helping out by peeling potatoes. Bake. This cake is easy to make. Just make the batter and then bake it 30 minutes. Roll out. Roll out the dough on a floured surface. Pour. She poured me a cup of tea. Mix. Mix the ingredients slowly. Add 1 cup of sugar to the mixture. Grate. Peel and grate the potatoes. Grill. Grill a hamburger for me. Taste. Take a taste. You'll like it. Weigh. The butcher weighed the chicken. Measure. Measure out 100 grams of flour. Whip. Whip the cream until thick. Layer. Layer the pasta with slices of tomato. Blend. Blend the ingredients until smooth. Pinch. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Dice. I'm making vegetable soup. Could you dice these vegetables and add them to the pot? Spread. Spread the toast thinly with jam. Squeeze. Squeeze the lemon. Knead. Knead the dough until it is smooth. Stir. She stirred her coffee with a plastic spoon. Mash. Mash the bananas to a pulp. Sift. Sift the flour into a mixing bowl.